Welcome back to the screencast. This video is going to be about the for loop. So let's get started with the syntax. Now for is used to loop over a sequence. In Python, sequences can be anything like a set or a tuple or a list. We can actually also use a dictionary wherein we fetch the keys of a dictionary and we get them in the list format. So let's get started. I'll create a list first. And let's print each value of L on one line. So what I can do is I can do print L of 0, like this, and I get, so I basically have to, I'll delete this. So I get each value of L in on the terminal on one line. So my problem got solved. But is this the perfect way of doing this, printing each element of the list? So what if my list has more values? Now this program is clearly not going to work. Now for this program, what we are basically doing is we are repeating the same statement for each value that is present in L. So for skipping this entire duplication of lines, what we can do is we can use a for loop. So for I in L, print of I. So now what it will do is it will go inside the list L, and for each value inside the list of L, the for that particular iteration that value is going to be stored in I, and then this block is going to be executed. So as of now this is only one line block. So let's add some random statements. So you can see first it printed start. So now this block gets executed for each value of the list, and that value is stored inside the variable of I. Now this I variable, since this is Python, we do not need to create it before using inside the for loop. We can directly start using this. This in is a keyword which is used in this way for the for loop, or it can be used as a membership test. We'll see that later. So let's take a quick example of that. So I'll create three lists, a list with three values, and 2 in A will return true only if 2 is present inside A. So 12 in A is false because 12 is not present inside the list of A. So that is the in keyword. Now in keyword can be used for the for loop in this way, wherein it will store each value of L for each iteration inside the variable I. And we can use the I variable inside the for loop. We can also use the variable outside the for loop, but that is a discussion for another day. So this is the most basic example of a for loop. So this concludes the basic of for loop. So let's meet in another video to understand some more details about how to program in by using a for loop. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one.